Hi, you might think that I'm going to make you an incredible cocktail. After all, I am the maestro, but actually I'm going to show you how to make handmade sanitizer. The simple reason is that everywhere I'm going, you can't find any. Might as well, I'm going to show you, okay? What you need is 99.9% alcohol. So we need 3 parts of alcohol. I'm going to use a jigger because I need to be specific. I think all the bartenders around the world, they're going to be very impressed with me because I'm using a jigger. Then I'm going to use 1 part of pure aloe gel. Wow, look at that. This gives you the bond and cleans and stick around your hand. Then you can use anything that you want, lavender oil, tamarind oil, whatever you prefer. Because I am Italian, I'm going to use something that is made with basil, peppermint, and eucalyptus. My God, words, that is a big word for me, that's for sure. Few drops of that to give the aroma. Oh, mamma mia. But then I am a bartender after all, so I have to give something very typically bartenders like, a twist of lemon, just to give a hint of citrus. Quickly stir, no ice. Mix it. Ready. Then get a spray bottle. You can use a muslin cloth if you think that there is a little bit of, a little bit of bits in there. But after all, you want to wash your hand or clean your hand. No. 100% clean. Free of any coronavirus, guys. Ciao. And by the way, everywhere I will go, I'm going to buy a few of those bottles. And I will put some in my pocket. So anywhere I will go and I see someone who's searching, looking for one, I'll give it one for free. Ciao. God bless. Keep safe. Keep safe.